I'm Teacher Giovanni and welcome to Math TV Lessons channel. Today I am showing you two coins, a 1 peso coin and a 25 centavo coin. What will you do if you found this coin somewhere? Will you pick it up? Maybe no, because most of the people consider these coins having lesser value. But remember, a big amount of money comes from a single coin like this. Even though we consider these coins having lesser value or no value at all, but it is very important. Why I'm showing you coins here? Because these have something to do with our topic today. What if we are going to combine 1 peso coin and a 25 centavo coin? 1 peso coin represents a whole number. What if we are going to combine or add the two coins, a 1 peso coin and a 25 centavo coin? It will be 1 peso and 25 centavos. And 1 peso and 25 centavos represent what? Decimal. And our topic for today is all about decimal number. But we will be starting from the place value and the value of a decimal number. Are you excited to learn? So let's go. Let's start our lesson. Our topic for today is identifying place value and value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths. The concept of place value is one of the important skills every learner should master. It refers to the value of a digit depending on its position or place in a number. If people use numbers randomly, no one can understand which numbers he or she is referring to. Thus, we need to study place value to understand the order of numbers. I want you to give your attention in this situation. The grade 5 class is given a meter stick to measure the dimensions of a rectangular box to the nearest 10 thousandths of a meter. The chart shows the data recorded. In the first column, you can see the parts of rectangular box which has been measured. We have the length. The length measures as 0.8050 meters. We have here the width. The width measures 0.6820 meter. And it can be properly read as 6,820 10 thousandths. We have here the height. The height has the measurements of 0.2980 meter, and it can be read properly as 2,980 10 thousandths. In my next video, I will teach you on how to write and read decimal numbers. What does 8 in each number mean? The 8 in each number occupies different place value and have different value. To answer this, let us use the place value chart. We use place value chart to easily identify the place value of each digit. We are going to put the measurements inside the place value chart in order for us to identify easily the place value of each digit. In the first column, we have the ones place value and the decimal point and tenths, hundreds, thousandths, and 10 thousandths. As you can see, the digit 8 in the length occupies the tenths place value. So its value is 8 tenths, or it can be written in a fractional form as 8 over 10, or in a decimal form as 0.8. But it can still be read as 8 tenths. The digit 8 in the width occupies the hundreds place value. So its value is 8 hundredths, or it can be written in a fractional form as 8 over 100, or in a decimal form as 0.08, or still can be read as 8 hundredths. But still it can be read as 8 hundredths. The digit 8 in the height occupies the thousandths place value, so its value is 8 thousandths, or in a fractional form, that is 8 over 1000, or in a decimal form as 0.008, but still can be read as 8 thousandths. The first digit to the right of the decimal point has a place value of tenths. The second digit to the right of the decimal point has the place value of hundreds, and the third digit to the right of the decimal point has a place value of thousandths, and the fourth digit to the right of the decimal point has the place value of 10,000ths, and so on. The value of the tenths place is 1/10 to the value of the ones place. The place to the left is 10 times the places to its right. The decimal point dictates where the whole number part ends and where the decimal part begins. To understand more the concept, let's have another examples. What is the place value and value of the underlined digit? Let's have number 1. 8.3491, or can be properly read as 8 and 3,491 10,000ths. As you can see here, the underlined digit is 3. In order for us to understand and easily identify the place value of digit 3, we can use the place value chart. The digit 8 occupies the ones place value, then the decimal point. The digit 3 here occupies the tenths, and digit 4 occupies the hundreds, 9 for thousandths, and 1 for 10,000ths. So now the question is, what is the place value and value of the underlined digit? So the underlined digit here is digit 3. Look at the place value of 3. Okay, the answer is 10. So the place value of digit 3 is tens. Since the place value of this digit is tens, what do you think is the value? The value is 3 tenths, or it can be written as 0.3 and can be properly read as 3 tenths. Another example, 62.4578, or can be properly read as 62 and 4,578 10,000ths. The underlined digit here is 8. So we will use the place value chart in order for us to know the place value of digit 8. As you can see here, there are 2 digits to the left of the decimal point. And remember that the number to the left of decimal point is a whole number. So that is 62. And digit 6 occupies the tens place value. The digit 2 occupies ones place value. And here the number 4 occupies the tenths place value. 5 for hundreds, 7 for thousandths, and 8 for 10,000ths. So what is the question here? What is the place value and value of the underlined digit? The underlined digit is 8. As you can see in the chart, the place value of 8 is 10,000. Since the place value of digit 8 is 10,000, the value of it is 8 10,000, or can be written as 0.0008. Why is it happened? Remember that you have been asked only the value of 8. So all the digits to its left will become zeros. So the digit 4 will become 0, the digit 5 will become 0, the digit 7 will become 0. So we are now done with our examples on how to identify place value and value of a digit in decimal numbers through 10,000s. So I want you to get a sheet of paper to answer the following items to check whether you understand the lesson. Give the place value and value of the underlined digit. Here are the numbers. I will challenge you not to use the place value chart. Just remember the different place value of the decimal number and what comes first, what comes second, what comes third, and so on and so forth. So let's have a short review first. So the first place value after the decimal point is the tenths, followed by hundreds, thousands, then 10,000s. While you are looking for the answers, I want you to pause this video for a while so that you will have enough time to answer. Let's have number 1. 3.1458, or can be read as 3 and 1,458 10,000s. The underlined digit here is 5. Now, what do you think is the place value of digit 5? And what is the value? The place value is thousands because digit 1 occupies the tens place, digit 4 occupies the hundreds place, and digit 5 occupies the thousands place. So the place value of digit 5 is thousands. So what do you think is the value of 5 here? So the value is 5,000 and can be written as 0.005. And always remember that you are going to change all the digits to its left into zeros and cancel all the digits to its right. Next we have number 2, 0.9726, or 9,726 10,000s. And the underlying digit here is 6. And what do you think is the place value of 6 here? Okay, 10,000. And what is the value of digit 6? That is 6 10,000s, or can be written as 0.0006. Let's have number 3, 11.5403, or can be read as 11 and 5,403 10,000s. What is the place value of the underlined digit? What is the underlined digit? That is 5. And the place value here is tenth because it is directly after the decimal point. And then the value is 5/10 and can be written as 0.5. Okay, so we are now done with our lesson about identifying place value and value of a digit in a decimal number through 10,000s. I hope that you learned something today and you will never forget what you have learned, because I'm sure this is very important, because you like it or not, wherever you go and whatever you do, you cannot detach the application of decimal number. Even you are going to the market to buy something, you are using decimal number. And one example that we can really apply a decimal number is buying something in the market. And I hope that you will never forget. I'm Teacher Giovanni saying math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.